I have bunny ears again. Sunglasses. Looks like I've been seeing Pennywise. I wear my sunglasses so I can. Alright guys, we are currently at Slocum's bowling alley, and I'm going to be filming some of my best shot. Before, I only got one pin, but you're not going to see that. I'm here with one of my friends, and we're going to do some bowling. I'm in the lead. Like, here are some screenshots. I'm in the lead. I'm in the lead. I might win this. I gotta go back out, because it's probably my turn. Okay, see you later. You're going to see a strike on here. I am going to get a strike, okay? My funny ears.
Welcome back to my channel.
Stop it. Stop. Why is everyone invading my video?
Because he has a trunk.
Alright, we are done bowling now, and I don't think I did pretty good sometimes, because there's some like videos of like me failing. I think it's like 10 of them, but there's only like a few good ones, but I got a strike. That's all that matters. I got a strike. In the beginning I was, you know, confident. I'm like, I think I'm gonna win, you know, I'm ahead of everybody. But no, my dad took that away from me. If there was a kingdom, I would have been dethroned. Actually, I didn't see the final score. I'll figure out who won. It's not me, I can tell you that. But yeah, we're just gonna go home, and I think I'm gonna go on a walk, because it's like 55 degrees, and this might be the only time we're gonna get this type of weather until the spring. So why not enjoy it, right? We might get some nature. We always get nature. Like, we got a lot of deer. Like, here's a video of like, maybe like 10 deer. Oh my god. There's a lot of deer. And when I took Owen on a walk before, multiple times in the summer, we came across deer. Yeah, it's like a common thing. So yeah, we're just gonna go home now. Guess what I have? Lemonade for the ride home.
Well, when life gives you lemons.
Guys, guess where we're going now? We are going to, wait, should I tell you? Just kidding, I'm gonna tell you. We are gonna be going to Redberry. We're at Redberry. This is my yogurt. It's really good though. So right now we're at TCNJ Campus Town, which they have Redberry, Panera Bread, they have an urgent care, and they have a Barnes & Noble. So yeah, we come here a lot. But yeah, I have pineapple Dole Whip, cotton candy, and mango. Yum. Now the wafers, cookies and cream, no. I have the wafers, the cookie dough, and the Reese's Pieces. We'll see you guys when we get home. Owen! Fix your ear. That's better. Hey guys, so I decided to take a walk outside.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood.
Looks like the sun is almost done setting. So yeah, it's a very, very calm day. Yeah, just, it's fun. With sunglasses. Looks like I've been seen. And there's someone coming out of their car. I don't feel comfortable doing this. Hear that? I heard like a howl. It's just not me, right? Obviously, it got a bit cold because it's near the ending of the day. So, I mean, yeah, it's pretty, so yeah, it's pretty nice. So I took off my sunglasses and I need a break from that. I kind of don't want to be here, that long because it might get a little dark later. I know you're probably wondering, Alex, it's not really that dark. I see a deer. Oh my god, oh my god. I'll try to get up closer. Guys, there's 2 deer. See, I told you we would see some deer. Okay, I'll try to get closer. God. Yeah, this is amazing. Hey! Hello! Oh my god, guys. Oh. Oh my god, so majestic. Oop, he's staring at me through the woods. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're cute. Oh my god, he's so cute. Where's your friend? Oh no, really, where is his friend? Oh, what is he doing? Okay, I'm just gonna... I'll be on my way. I don't know if I should turn around or keep going, because... Wow. No, my phone's gonna run out of storage, and it's gonna run out of battery. Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. See? There I am, taking a selfie with the deer. Say cheese! That's weird. Okay, well, I think we should go back now. Go frolic in the woods. So cute. When I say there's gonna be deer, there's gonna be deer. Look at that sunset. Okay, guys, we were about halfway there to my house. Pennywise. Hiya, Georgie. Only a couple more steps and we'll be home. Oh, man. We're literally so close. And we're home. I'm gonna go through the back door. I don't know why. Owen might try to get outside, but I'm not gonna let him. Okay. Let's open the gate and close it. And let's see little Owen and little Teddy. our dogs. There we go. Hey. No. No, I was just outside for a video, Owen. No. Oh, Owen. Look at the camera. Mittens. Oh, you're so cute. Alright guys, it is later in the night, and yeah, today was really fun. We went bowling, we went to Redberry, we took a walk, we saw deer. It was really, really amazing. So, that's the end of the video. Let's close this video off. I wear my sunglasses so I can. That wasn't a gun, that was like a bam. Like a, I don't know, but it does look like a gun, but it's not. I promise it's not a gun. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like, what am I pointing to myself? So many questions in this world. I post vlogs, short films, random videos. I might even post skits in the future. And don't forget, you can do anything. I'm Alex, signing off. And there's a hand coming towards the camera. I'm gonna get a strike. You're gonna see a strike on here. I'm gonna get a strike, okay? My funny ears.
Welcome back to my channel. Hi.
Stop it. Stop. Why is everyone invading my video? Stop it. Stop.